So welcome back, guys. In this edition we are going to be drawing the left elevation of our project, that is the project we've been working on. So if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel, click on the like button, watch and share our videos with your friends and colleagues. So what you are seeing on the screen is what we are trying to achieve today. Without wasting much time, let's quickly get to business. So to begin with, I believe you know the first thing you're supposed to do is to set up your rearrange your roof. Let the left part of the roof be the face that is facing the bottom, and you should also rearrange your floor plan to the right elevation. I believe you should be able to do this. So we've already set up that. So we know that the height of the building we've been using is 3,450. So quickly say offset, say 3,450. So you pick, you have this, our facial board, we say 300. We'll pick it up. So we need a roof overhang because this is showing this wall and this wall, so we need a roof overhang of 600. So we say offset 600, just like we'll be having it. Offset 600, enter. We have this and we have this. So let's trim off, make our job neat. We have this now, this. So we have this. So let's delete this one. So just like we've been doing previously, we'll have to go and pick the position of our roof. So we have this. Let's copy it to the edge and this edge. Why are we doing that? It's because we are going to be seeing this face where my cursor is. We are going to be seeing this face also, and finally we are supposed to also see this face in our elevation. So quickly, we've been using our 30 degrees. I wouldn't want to start over, so I'll just copy from my previous drawing. So I'll pick it, I have to off my orthogonal, so place it this. I can, since it's also at the edge, let me just mirror, pick it, mirror, have my midpoint, have to put on my orthogonal, yeah, enter is there. So we have to also put a line at the middle point to know where it's going to meet. So we say copy, let's copy this to the middle, this point, so we have it here. So we can now extend our roof slope. So we have this. So like I said, we are also supposed to see this part, so we are also supposed to indicate that. And if you can remember from the very first tutorial when we were drawing our roof, we picked our roof edge from this. We assumed that this is our roof wall before we added the overhang of 600. So that is where we are supposed to place our wall first, so that we'll be able to like show this column in the elevation also. So we have to go back here and pick our wall, our line, our construction line. Let's say copy. You can always redraw your construction line. So let's put it here so that we won't miss that detail. First we have to, that means we have a wall here, that means we have to extend this and this, but it will also be having an overhang of 600. So let's say offset 600. So we have this, so extend it. Sorry, it's on offset. Say extend, make this. So this we can trim off now. This is the position of the column, and this is where our roof is supposed to start from, to the overhang. So I can, let's not delete this, let's go back and just use it as our edge. Okay, we already have one, so let's delete it. So just like we did previously, we could just copy this, copy it, we have it here placed. We don't know where it's supposed to stop. It's supposed to stop here, so we have to pick this line, copy it also, be vigilant. I'm not using any shortcut key most times. I just want us to follow so that anybody watching the video can actually relate. Sorry, what we actually deleted, so let's Ctrl Z so that we'll have our stuff back. The wall that we deleted is no longer there. Yeah, it's back, this wall. So let's just trim it so that we won't miss it. Sorry about that. Yeah, let me trim it like this so that I won't miss the position of the column. So I can come back here and delete this. So let's copy this so that we know where our wall will stop. Let's say copy our roof slope, rather, not the wall. Sorry about that. So it's going to stop there. So I can come down here and say extend it to this point. Okay, so after extending, I can pick this, copy and place it here now. So we say trim, 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 trim. So it's supposed to stop here, but let's go back to the roof again and see. We have it going up in this direction, so we know we've been using 700. So let's just draw our line, ensure we're on the right layer, roof. We'll pick our line of 700 going up, and definitely we know it's going to join up with this, so I don't need to go back and be stressing to check again. But on your own you can check that. So I have this, trying to save time. I think we are done with that. We'll be able to show this side. So let's quickly go back to this side. Okay, let's copy this. We have this, then we have place it here. Let's know where to stop here, so that we'll just do it at once. So let's remove this so that we won't get confused, and we need to know where the wall starts from. So we can actually copy this. Let's say copy and place it here, so that we'll go back here and determine the position of our wall. I think, okay, this is it. Let's okay, this is the wall, this is the wall. So see, we are going to extend. Say extend, let's say extend, right click, this. So this is where our wall is. So we're going to trim off. This is our wall. So if you actually bring this down, this will indicate the position of our overhang. Let's measure it and see. It's 600. We know we are correct. So it's 600. Yeah, so it's 600. You've seen it. So that is our roof overhang for that particular section. This is where our wall stop. So let's do it like this. Let me trim this for now, so that we'll be able to understand the flow. So let's copy this, copy it from here and place it here, so it stops here. So let's trim. We also see that it actually went up before linking with this part of the roof. This part of the roof, it went up. If you can trace this down, you see it's linked to this part of the roof around this side. So we've been going up by 700. So let's say pick our line command, take it up 700. Definitely we know it's going to link up with this at a point like that. So trim, make sure you check yours. I'm trying to save us time. So with that being done, I think we can trim off to have just our roof. Yes, trim off this. Yes, let's trim off this. So you can say this. Okay, let's not do that. Let's trim some off so that all will not go away. Let's trim off this. Right, see, no trimming. Let's see, trim, right click. Okay, this is gone. Okay, this is also supposed to go, so we can do like this, then we'll delete. So you see we've actually brought out our roof from the roof plan. So the next thing for us to do is I believe you know our roof edges, so roof eaves rather. So I'm going to pause the video, do that, then we'll continue. I believe you can also do that. We've seen that previously to save us time. So guys, after doing that, this is what your roof eaves and your drawing will look like. So I think this particular wall is not supposed to be at this point. Let's check it. This is the wall, so let's see if it's correct. So let's pick it and place it there. Okay, you see what I'm saying? It's not supposed to be there. Even from our observation, we are supposed to see that. So we can take off this, then trim this off, then delete this. Also observe that whenever I click on my eaves, it brings up the roof eaves. It means I've returned them to the original layer, the right layer rather, and I believe you should be able to do this also because we've seen it countlessly. So the next part of it is to show some of our details, the details in the building. So we have a window. Okay, there's no window here, we can't see this one. We can only see this wall, we'll see this window, we'll see the whole of this face, we'll see just bit of here. When we see this arch, we'll see this column, then we see this side of it. So let's quickly get to business. I won't waste time. So copy. Let's go for the windows first. So place it this. Let's zoom in. This. Finally this. So let's quickly extend down. To extend, can extend like this also. I'm not seeing where they're extending to, that's why they didn't work. We have to show the face surface. So the height is just going to be about 2100, which was the position of our lintel. So from there, 2100. No, not this. We are supposed to offset for our floor. That is 450. What we've been using. So first we have coming, offset, enter, pick. Now it's working. So let's trim quickly. Try to beat time, and in the process we are making lots of mistakes. So offset 2100, take it up, and that is the position. So our windows are, let's trim up first. Need to explain something to you here. So this I think this supposed to be the window, this and this, then this, and the rest can go. Are we correct? Okay, we've made a mistake. These are window instead, so let's quickly Ctrl Z. So trim. So this is supposed to be our window instead. This and this, this and this, and this. So this can go. So similar way we can trim off the whole of this, and this too can go off. So the size of the window for the toilet is not always at the same height as the rest. It's about 600 by 600 window. That's the usual size that is being used. So we say offset 600 for only the toilet window like this. Then the rest we can go back to our 1200. So offset 1200, because you can't imagine you taking your bed and someone is seeing you from the window. Get the concept. So that is it. So I can delete off this. So we've brought out the position of our window. So let's see what other feature we are definitely going to see this particular what is it called, arch. So let's quickly represent that, where it starts and end. So let's say copy. Let's copy it from here, place it. It's definitely going to this wall, so I might not even need to show that. So I have it like this. Let me delete this off. So it's this and this. So we've been using 600, so let's say offset 600 because that was what we used in the front elevation. So we have it like this. So I'm going to trim off, and we did a straight arch, so it all depends on you. So we have a straight arch, so I can just tell this to go away. Then also let's say trim off this because our arch is not getting to the bottom, so I can delete this. Yes, and it's not going into the roof, so this is also going. So we have this. So what next? The next feature is this column. I'm definitely going to see it, so let me pick this instead. Copy, have this, so it's like this. So I can just extend. So that's my column. So I can trim off position of the column. Trim off, it's not going in automatically. So after I trim off, I can delete this too. So I wouldn't want to go back and be recreating my column. I've already have it. But before that, let's do this. Let's extend. Let me just go and copy it and place it instead of going back to redraw my column since it's already done it. So let me just do like this. So let's have it. Let me say copy. I'm going to copy it from this point, so I'll just take it back to the position where it is. It is still the same column, so since I fix it, I can decide to delete this, delete this. So you see the building is taking shape. So what else are we missing? Definitely we are going to see this side of this flower position. So we'll also take it, say copy, bring it like this to this point and to this point. So see, it's definitely touching the column, so we might not even need to extend the other one. We see this, we know the whole of it. But recall that we actually used a height of, is it 150? Yeah, I think it should be 150. Let me just use it like that. Yeah, let's use it. Then with match properties, let's say move instead of, let's move it instead of say move, take it up 150. So it's going to be there. So quickly match properties, let me match it with this to take it back so that it won't be on the roof layer. So it's a trim, so I can trim off this. So at the end of the day, delete this and pick up my line and join it. This, then it's not supposed to be on that layer. I'll say MA match properties, take, and done. So I can also take off this because I don't think we are picking up anything from here. Let me copy this, copy it, sorry, trying to beat down, and at the end of the day we are messing up the whole stuff. So let's quickly see this. I'll pause it to fix up my window. So guys, after placing your window, this is what you have. I believe you should be able to do that. The windows will be provided in the description box like I said previously. So this is it. So the next thing for us to do is to, I think, add our flower. Let's see, elevation, we can just come and pick from here. So let's say copy, going to see it in elevation. And definitely it's going to be around this side, because let's just place it here first, then move, say move. We'll be having it around this side. And let's say copy again. That's another way to copy. You can go back and click your copy, select what you want to copy, then you say enter. No, okay, let's put it there too, instead of wasting our time. So let's just say 2 of those flowers are same. Then let's show some of our details. What we'll be seeing, the wall, the part of the elevation that we'll encounter first. Definitely we are going to encounter this part if we are coming from the left side. So let's pick our line. No, I don't even need to pick my line. Let me just go and match properties, say MA match properties, pick it from here. So I think I'll have this first, and let's say this. I want to use, so let me use line here because it's going to thicken the whole place. We select the orthogonal, so this is it. So I think we are going to see that like that. Then the rest, let's also match properties, MA, which is match properties. So pick this, let's quickly go back and like that. Yeah, we have this like this, like this. So I think this at an elevation, we might have not shown this particular detail in the previous tutorial, but actually it's supposed to be like a stair going up, because imagine a 450 height, you have to raise your leg about a block height too. So this, let's make it 150 each as an offset. Say 150. We have this. So we can trim off the rest. So delete this. So this is gone. Delete. So we have this like this. Definitely it's going to be straight. So let's match properties also. This. I think I'm trying to be very fast, but we still wasted much time. So we have this, it's not supposed to go into the column base, so trim this also. So this is how it's going to look like. So what's next? I think we're supposed to have this to extend, extend it to this point. So we offset our 50 like we've been doing to show that wall detail is not supposed to get to this point. We delete this. So say offset is 100 or 50. Let's go 50. Yes. So we say trim off, trim, and finally this. So I think what's left for us is hatch. I'll pause my video, then hatch. You already know how to hatch. So guys, you've seen I've added a little design here. That's what I'm talking about. You should be creative. So, and you've seen I've shown this curved edge. You've seen how to do that in the previous tutorial. So if you actually observe our floor plan, you see that we've not missed out any detail. Yeah, so this is what it is. This is our left elevation. In the next tutorial, we are going to be seeing the right elevation, which will conclude the elevation series. Afterwards, we will look at the sections. So kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed to our channel. Like, share our videos to encourage us to make more interesting videos like this. This is Einstein AJ. See you next time.